I'm third year, and on our third year our project has been to design and manufacture a folding bicycle that weighs under 10 kilograms for a budget of £500. You get the design and manufacture, which is practical engineering. It teaches practical work, it teaches problem solving, solving unidentified problems that may arise. We're almost at testing. I'm just applying the finishing touches right now, and hopefully we should have a folding bike at the end of the day.
In each project, the students must do a market analysis, find a unique selling point for their product, do some financial analysis. They do a complete design of the product they're going to design, whether it's from the student folding bike or product design. They then have to go through a process of optimization using design process, which is effectively convergence of a number of options, a number of designs down to one, and they have to justify each step of the way until they've left with one design, which they then optimize and then modify with production intent or, for example, cost saving. The module represents 30% of the course marks for the year, so that equates to about 400 hours per student over the year, so that's about 2 days per week, so it's a significant proportion of the students' time during the course, so it's a very significant module for them. It's problem-based learning, so you effectively give the students a problem, and the bike, for example, is quite difficult. To get that bike inside a suitcase and make it rideable and be under 10 kilos is nearly an impossible target, but we give them a problem and it gets them to work together to solving the problem. It's a natural sort of human desire to solve problems, so the students work in groups. Each of them within the group is probably 6 or 7 students in a particular group. Each of them will effectively one will become the project manager, one will become chief engineer, one will become the chief designer. A lot of the students come from different backgrounds. You've got some who have no practical experience, you've got some who could take a tractor apart in front of you and put it back together. So as a group it teaches them all the practical skills, but it's not only learning how to use tools, they learn the reason for using the tools, the particular tools they need to use. So we have like vacuum forming machines, injection molding machines, 3D printing, rotational molding machines. So we've got lots of equipment, the students get to use that and see all of that.